Long ago, Islam had just begun. Muslims in Makkah faced oppression and torture. They were beaten for believing in one God. They lost homes, families, everything, but they never left their faith. They migrated to Medina for safety. A new beginning, but danger remained. The Quraysh still wanted to destroy Islam. They planned a deep and calculated revenge, and they prepared themselves for a coming war. At the same time, a caravan was returning. It carried wealth from Syria. Muslims planned to intercept it. They left Medina with hope. They did not expect a battle. There were only 313 people, few swords, few camels. They had no proper armor to protect them, but strong faith in their hearts. They trusted in the help of Allah completely. The Quraysh heard the news. They gathered a huge army. There were almost 1,000 soldiers in the enemy camp. They were a force fully armed and trained for battle. They marched forward with a great sense of pride. They believed victory was certain. They loudly mocked and taunted the small band of Muslims. They came to crush them. A great arrogance filled all of their hearts. They moved steadily and confidently toward Badr. The small group of Muslims reached the wells of Badr first. They took strategic control of the vital water wells. It was a smart and well thought out strategy. They prepared themselves for what was coming next, but a natural sense of fear was still there. That night, a deep silence covered the vast desert. The believers stood and prayed deeply to their Lord. They raised their hands and asked Allah for His help. They cried with absolute sincerity in their hearts. They hoped for His divine mercy on the coming day. Prophet Muhammad stood in a long and deep prayer. He raised his hands high towards the starry sky. He prayed, "O Allah, grant us your promised victory." His emotional dua was filled with deep conviction. He stood in prayer through the entire night. His cloak even fell from his tired shoulders. But he continued praying with deep devotion. Allah heard every single word of his prayer, and he accepted his sincere and heartfelt dua. A divine promise of help was finally given. A sense of divine peace entered into their hearts. The natural fear began to slowly disappear. A cooling rain fell down from the desert sky. It cooled the earth and made the ground firm. This sign of mercy strengthened the believers, and it weakened the ground for the enemy army. Everything was now set for the coming battle. Everything was ready for a historic battle. The morning of the great day was drawing near. The moment for the historic battle had finally come. The sun rose over the historic valley of Badr. Both of the armies stood there face to face. A heavy tension filled the desert air. It was the silence before the coming storm. The first intense duels of the battle began. Brave companions stepped forward to fight. They fought with a great deal of courage. Their strong faith was their greatest strength. Then the full-scale battle finally started. Swords clashed loudly across the field. A thick dust filled the entire battlefield. Cries of battle echoed through the desert. But the Muslim army stood remarkably firm. They did not take a single step back. Even when facing against huge numbers, they remembered Allah in the heat of battle. They fought with absolute faith in their hearts. They trusted the promised word of Allah. Divine help came from the world of the unseen, and then angels descended from the heavens. The enemy forces began to panic and retreat. Their disciplined lines finally broke apart. A deep fear spread quickly through their ranks. They started losing all control of the battle. The Muslims gained strength and momentum. The leaders of the Quraysh were defeated. Their massive army was severely weakened. They started to flee the field in terror. A total victory was now very close at hand. And then the unthinkable happened. It was a truly historic victory for Islam. 70 of the enemy were defeated today, and 70 others were taken as prisoners. This was a moment that changed all history. It was a pure and true victory of faith. The prisoners were treated with kindness. Some were freed in exchange for knowledge. The faith of Islam became much stronger. It remains a lesson for all of time. With Allah, even the weak can win. Trust Allah, victory comes with faith. Like, share, and subscribe for more